So where are we headed? We are on the road again. This time, heading for Atlantic Canada, specifically Nova Scotia, because that's where this huge system, which is actually going to be the remnants of Hurricane Noel, is headed. And so this is a really nice combination of hurricane and nor'easter, because this year's hurricane season has been somewhat slow. And I haven't actually got a chance to go out to a hurricane yet, so to catch one in Canada is something I've wanted to do for a long, long time. So I'm very excited about this. Well, the latest report on Noel is that we don't have the latest report because we're on the road, and right now I don't have an internet connection, so we're just sort of sticking to our target area and putting the foot to the floor, the pedal to the metal, trying to get some miles underneath us.
So many miles.
So many miles. So few nubile young women. It ruins every tank. Yeah. Oh, it's just a bit to wipe out. Oh, right.
Rip snort then. Good. I know you could say that.
Great. I'm trapped in a car with Mr. Rogers for the next 4 days.
Welcome to my neighborhood. Hey.
Where are we? What? I'm not even sure where we are. Basically the extreme southwestern tip of Nova Scotia. We've been driving all night and all day yesterday, about 27 hours on the road, something like that. It looks like the storm's actually slowed down a little bit, so it's actually going to go all night at about 140 gusts to 140 kilometers an hour, sustained around, what they say, 80 kilometers an hour, into tomorrow morning, which could be very interesting here. So we actually will be able to shoot, we'll be able to shoot into the morning, which would be nice. I'm looking forward to that.
I'm trying to get out on these rocks, try and get some good pictures, and well, big wave came, knocked me down, got me full of salt water, and now my boots are full of freezing cold North Atlantic water. That's not rock! That's asphalt! The idea right now is to try and find out if we can clear a path through these rocks and get the trucks through. But this is a very dangerous place to be standing because these rocks were knocked here by these waves. So more of these rocks can come up at any time. Okay?
Yeah, we're good.
I know, it's huge. Look at that huge one right in the middle. How did that get there? Like, look at this. Look at that. You got it.
Yeah, what you need is this. Mike, wait, don't go up there.
Where's he going? Oh, huge one coming! Huge one coming! How big was that wave? Woo! Okay, that's the biggest wave I've ever seen. Whoa! How big was that?
Tell me
100 feet?
that was shooting.
That was insane. Was that shooting?